In this question we have given one C program or C code, and we have to identify what will be the output of this C program, C++ program. Okay, so in this question we start the execution from main. Okay, so in main there is one local variable which is called number. Okay, it is defined as number equals to 30. So one local variable number memory will allocate to this, and the initialization of this is being done by 30. So I am writing here the value 30 as number. Okay, now we are calling this function square ampersand number and ampersand number. These are the two arguments. Okay, so we are passing the address. Let's suppose the address of this is 1000. At memory location 1000 this number is stored, which is having value 30. So I am passing here by call by reference. Okay, so because I am giving the reference or address of these number variable here. This ampersand denotes the address of number, and this ampersand denotes address of number. This is called the address of operator. Okay, so now this function square will be called. So square, yeah, we can match. This is not the right, here it is using the polymorphism, but this square is not right, because here number of argument is 1 and here number of argument is 2. So this accordingly this square will be called here, and when this square function is called, it is accepting the address of this number in two pointers x and y. Okay, so there are two pointers x and one is y, and those two is containing the address of this number, which is 100. Okay, so basically these two pointers pointing the value, same value, this number. Okay, so these two pointers are pointing the same variable number. Now in this line, in this instruction, it is giving value at x. This is called the value at operator. Okay, value at that address. So value at this x which is a pointer, equals to value at x into, this is into operator, binary operator, multiplication. It is into or multiplication operator, and minus star y. Okay, so what it corresponds to, since this is the unary operator, minus, so precedence will be first there is one bracket or parenthesis operator here. Okay, so if we are executing this in the order of precedence, so the higher precedence of only this parenthesis and this parenthesis, and the parenthesis operator has the highest priority here, and since there are two parentheses, this one and this one, so the associativity is used here, and since we know the associativity of the parenthesis operator is left to right, so left to right it will execute. Okay, so first this left parenthesis will be executed. So star x means value at that pointer x, or value at this address x, and x is containing address 1000. So value at this address 1000 is 30, which is number. Okay, so here it will put 30 here. Multiplication, I am not going to apply the multiplication here now, because the higher precedence operator is this parenthesis, this is not this parenthesis, and same this parenthesis, which means value at y and value at location 1000. Okay, which is 30. But since here we are and the second most higher priority operator is unary operator. Okay, after this parenthesis this unary operator will execute it next. Okay, so unary, and this is pre-decrement operator. Okay, so it will decrement the value of this number 29, and then uses this value as here in the second operand. So 29 will be used here. Okay, so 30 into 29, and 29 is present in the number. Okay, now because of this pre-decrement operator. Now if these two now only operator left is multiplication, so it will multiply these two operator, so it will give value as 13 to 29, which is 870, and we are putting this 870 value at the location of pointed by x. Okay, because the left hand side of the expression is left hand side, or this left hand side of this equal operator or assigning operator is value at x. So value at location x, which is 1000, so value at this location 1000 will be updated as 870 here. Okay, so now number which is this number having the value 870. So now this, since this function is completed, it will again go to this main function. Control will come here again, and then we are printing here cout number. Okay, so value of number is now 870, so it will print 870 as the answer. So this is right, 870 is the answer.